Students, now we will start with the third part of unit 5, that is ratio and proportion. So first of all we will see important facts and formulas. First is ratio. The ratio of two quantities A and B in the same unit is the fraction A upon B, or we will write it as A as to B. In the ratio A as to B, we call A as the first term or antecedent and B is the second term, that is consequent. So in the ratio 5 as to 9, we will represent it as 5 by 9 with antecedent as 5 and consequent as 9. Okay. Rule is that the multiplication or division of each term of a ratio by the same non-zero number does not affect the ratio. Means what? Means if we multiply the ratio number by the same number, or if we will divide it, then the ratio is same. For example, see 4 as to 5, if we multiply it is by 2 by, so it is 8 as to 10, 12 as to 15, so 12 as to 15, 8 as to 10 and 4 as to 5 is same. Also 4 as to 6 is equal to 2 as to 3, means if we divide this 4 and 6 by 2, so it is 2 as to 3, so 4 as to 6 and 2 as to 3 is same. Next is proportion. The equality of two ratios is called as the proportion. Means if A as to B is equal to C as to D, so we write A as to B as double colon C as to D, and we say that A, B, C, D are in proportion. Here A and D are the extreme terms and B and C are the mean terms. Okay, and the formula is product of means is equal to product of extremes. Means for this example, product of A into D is equal to B into C. Okay, sir. A into D is equal to B into C. Then next is fourth proportional. So if A as to B is equal to C as to D, then D is called as the fourth proportional of A, B and C. Okay. Next is third proportional. If A as to B is equal to B as to C, then C is called as the third proportion of A and B. Mean proportional. Mean proportional between A and B is square root of AB. It is square root of AB. Okay. Next is comparison of ratios. So we say that if A as to B is greater than C as to D, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. Then compound ratio. The compound ratio of the ratios A as to B, C as to D and E as to F is ACE as to BDF. So that is the compounded ratio. Next is duplicate ratio of A as to B is A square as to B square. Subduplicate ratio of A as to B is square root of A as to square root of B. Duplicate means square and subduplicate means square root. Triplicate ratio of A as to B is A cube as to B cube. That is the triplicate ratio. And subtriplicate ratio of A as to B is 1 upon A cube as to A raised to 1 upon 3 as to B raised to 1 upon 3, means cube root of A and B. That is called as the subtriplicate ratio. Next is if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. So that is called as the componendo and dividendo ratio. Next is variation. So we say that x is directly proportional to y if x is equal to ky for some constant k. So we will write x is directly proportional to y. Okay, means here there is a constant k that will be multiplied by y. Next is, we say that x is inversely proportional to y if xy is equal to k. Means the product of x and y is k. So we can see that x is inversely proportional to 1 upon y. Okay. So these are the important facts and formulas. In the next session we will start exercise. Thank you.